Hello, I am Professor X.P. Lowry. I have discovered an amazing substance. In order to properly explain the substance, I will share with you a certain atom. This atom which I'm going to share with you is called a deuterium atom. A deuterium atom, I'm sorry. It is an isotope of hydrogen. It only has one proton, and one neutron. Deuterium is sometimes called heavy hydrogen because hydrogen has no neutrons. Thus, deuterium is in fact heavier than hydrogen. Now that you know what deuterium is, I will explain to you my discovery of antimatter. Now, antimatter is exactly the same as matter. It's just different. Yes, that made no sense. Let me explain. For instance, antideuterium is the same as deuterium, right? Except that it's the opposite. Antimatter has three things. First of all, it has an antineutron, which is the antiparticle of the neutron. Makes sense? It has the same mass as the neutron, and no electric charge like the neutron, it consists of antiquarks, which makes it different than a neutron, because neutrons have regular quarks in them. It has one up antiquark and one down antiquark. Now, antiproton is the opposite of a proton. It has the opposite electric charge, and this has two up antiquarks and one down antiquark. Now, the last thing it has is a positron, which is the opposite of an electron. It circles around the atom and does essentially what an electron does, except that it's opposite and has the opposite charge. Easy enough? Yes. Now, enough of all this detailed science stuff. Let's get to the good part. While discovering antimatter, I made a theory. My theory was that if antimatter and matter were combined, they would make a chemical nuclear reaction and create a pot of gold. And so, this is when I shall test out my experiment for all the generations to see. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.